Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo Z1 Pro. So even this device, if you're having any problem related to the headphone jack or the earphone jack of the device, the connection problem or any other such problem, you can fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you. So before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the headphone jack problem in your device. Let's watch the video.